everybody, welcome back. We are going to do something easy today, loaded mashed potatoes. I am currently having my kitchen under reconstruction right now, so we're gonna do something just simple and easy. So we're gonna go ahead and start with putting a little bit of butter in. We're gonna use some sour cream. Okay, I'm also going to put a little bit of cream cheese in there. And then we're going to go ahead and mix it up real quick. Okay, now we're going to add a little bit of garlic salt. Then I'm going to add some green onion. You can also add bacon bites if you want. And then I'm going to add some shredded cheese. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix it up. Make sure you guys hit like and subscribe. It's free. And there you have it, loaded mashed potatoes. And from my table to yours. See you next time.